guys, there's more legal vape drama. It's just not in the United States this time. So I thought I'd make a video about it to get your opinions on the matter because it actually pertains to the vaping industry's view on tobacco companies who also make vape products. Articles have been flying around in recent days regarding the South Korean government being sued over statements that they made about products made by Phillip Morris. The billion-dollar global tobacco giant Phillip Morris, also known as PMI, the acronym we'll use for this video, has filed a lawsuit against the South Korean government for claiming that PMI's e-cigarettes contain a large number of harmful substances. The lawsuit has been filed in hopes of obtaining a disclosure of data from the South Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. I guess you could consider this agency like the FDA in the United States, except it's on South Korean soil, after it released a report back in June which claimed that they had found 5 cancer-causing substances in Phillip Morris's products and electronic cigarettes. The most interesting thing to me is that same study found not just harmful substances, but an extreme level of tar that actually exceeds that of traditional cigarettes in 2 of their heated smoking devices, including the iQOS made by Marlboro. Personally, I find that very difficult to believe. Now, the findings strongly contradict results from studies in Germany, Japan, and China, where they concluded they were far safer than regular cigarettes. Phillip Morris insists that these falsely published documents further enforce the country's millions of smokers to keep smoking. Now, that is a completely logical takeaway from a situation where a governing body is pushing out falsified health studies. The only direct quote from South Korea in this situation came from a ministry representative that for whatever reason went unnamed, stating that they will follow legal procedures as required. I don't know about you guys or how you feel about this, but it sounds to me like they're sure trying to buy time to further their fear-mongering. We all know how it is with a rumor that sticks around for a long time and has an opportunity to fester in the population. Think about popcorn lung. A corporate affairs director, Brian Kim from Phillip Morris, stated due to the focus on tar, the South Korean ministry's study resulted in encouraging customers to stick with traditional cigarettes instead of choosing products that contain much lower levels of harmful compounds. In summation here, the South Korean government is blatantly spreading false information and stalling in the process of making it right. At least that's the way it sounds to me. Now, this seems eerily similar to what has occurred on American soil, how we've dealt with the FDA over the last few years. It seems the global fight continues between governmental bodies and companies that are producing a safer alternative to those nasty little things called traditional cigarettes. Also, government's biggest profit generators. Brian Kim went on to say, obviously the best choice is to quit smoking and vaping altogether, but the millions of Koreans who smoke have a right to choose better options based on accurate and non-misleading information. And to this point, I have to agree with Mr. Kim. The entire world should have better options from accurate and non-misleading information. Unfortunately, we still have government agencies like South Korea's Food and Drug Safety that are persistent in contributing to global fear-mongering. So let me know what you guys think. Does this make you look at PMI any differently, Phillip Morris? They're obviously on the same side of the fence with us in this situation. They're fighting for vapor rights. So personally, I'm rooting for them in South Korea. I'll catch you guys next time. Let me know what you think below. And of course, until next time, Cloud salute.